Well, hello again. Got a couple of trains running in the background, which is one of the things I just love to do. Watch the trains go by. Lovely. Now, one of the most popular videos recently was when I said, here's some tips on how to run a railway. Well, here's some more tips, a few more. The first thing is finish something. I can tell you this area isn't finished. There should be somebody outside there. This ground should have a little scatter on it, the tunnel mouth. But it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look like that, completely unfinished. So finish something. Here's the next tip. Include others. Now, what do they know about model trains? What do they know? This is my space. Get away from me. Well, right there's my wife. And I think I've told you before, up here is a friend of mine that used to do extreme running. And you can do it that way, or you can include their interests. They might be good at something. So our playground area, you could let one of the other family model that, couldn't you? Now these planes, I was reliably informed last night, oh, they're not to scale, mate. Well, no, but my son built that one. It means something. So include others. Next thing is clean up. Now, do you think this is nice to look at? Well, of course it's not. I can make an excuse about why it's there. It's been there about 6 months. Doesn't need to be there. If you leave things laying around on the layout, you won't be able to run it. It goes back to having an environment that you like to be in. I don't like working in a mess, so clean up after myself. Do you see the broken insulators there? I've conveniently parked a work train there as if something's going on, but I need to get the vacuum cleaner down here and get rid of the broken bits. So that's one of my next projects. If those are still there on the next video, please let me know. Now the next thing is set some priorities. Why am I looking at a signal box? Well, wouldn't it be lovely to have an interior in that signal box? It would, but it's much more important to have trains running. That bench got knocked sideways a few videos ago. I haven't straightened it. I'm about to take the canopy off. You see it's wobbling around. I've got some work to do on the platform. So that, although I could do it right now, couldn't I? You see? And it's gone again. Come on, get in there. It's all right for you sitting there looking comfortable. But set some priorities. Make a list if you like. Make sure it is that you know what it is you're going to do next. And the last tip for today is variety. Have a little bit of variety in your life. Let's see as we follow this, is it West Country or Battle of Britain? I think it's a West Country. His name would imply that. I think it's called Braunton, is it? Let's see. I cannot read that. But let's see as we go around how much of the track needs some ballast work. Whole section there. Yeah. Well, that's because I don't want to do ballasting all the time. I want to work on that housing estate and some electrical lights and getting a fourth rail and a third rail in place. I've got a graveyard to finish off. Lots of things to do. Now this locomotive, I've had a look, is called Martin, not Braunton. Braunton's the other one. And it's going rather slowly right now, which means it's catching the other one up. But yes, a little bit of variety. So start a project, make sure it's a bite-sized project that isn't going to take you weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks. Break it up into bite-sized chunks and then enjoy finishing something off, and then we're back to where we started, aren't we? It's very easy to hit modeling burnout. I've done it and not come into this room for well over a year at one point. How could I not? These days, I limit my time here to about an hour a day. I don't always get that much time. I thoroughly enjoy making videos. Used to work as a producer, editor. Still do a little bit of that, but I've been trying to make videos just on my phone. So this is all done just with my phone and a little bit of creative thinking. Martin is still catching up the goods, so it's slowed down again. So don't try and do too much. It should be enjoyable. And above all, have fun. Thanks for watching these videos. We really do appreciate it. If you've got any suggestions of things you'd like to see, any questions you've got, just pop them in the comments and I'll see what I can do to address them. Today's episode was brought to you by Martin and a raggedy old tank engine. Two of my favourite locomotives. I've got so many favourites. At no time did I have to control either one of them. They were on the same track. Was it end to end or tail chasing? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, thanks for watching.